Hi, my name's Nikki from Elite Carpets in Airlie Beach at Whitsundays. We provide services of upholstery cleaning, carpet cleaning, rug cleaning, mattress and leather cleaning. So I've been with Elite now for 14 years. My previous occupation before that was a chef. I was a chef for 20 years. I decided to go and join Elite. I was a single mother with 3 children and my chefing hours were too long and I needed something for the school hours for the children. I left my job, I went to the employment agency and there was a job for carpet cleaning. So I went over to Elite, the old owner, and I asked him for a job. He said that he wouldn't employ me because I was a female. I said to him that if he would hire me for a week on no pay, and if I did no good, then I would walk away and he'd had nothing to lose. And here I am 14 years later with Elite. I think for any woman that is out there that wants to get out and give themselves a go and work for yourself, this is a great job. You get to choose your own hours and you get to meet a lot of different people. You're in different places every day. And I find that being a female, if I go to a job site and there is another female there that owns the house and I'm going to do upholstery or carpets, they quite often relax a lot more than if I have a male around me that might be helping me for the day. I just find that it's a much nicer vibe for other women when a woman turns up for the job. And I know myself, if I have someone come into my house that's a tradesperson that's a woman, I'm much more relaxed. So I think it's a bonus. I think any woman can work for Elite. I sometimes find the equipment a little bit heavy, but I do find over time you do adjust and you can lift the machine and you can climb the stairs with it, and it's like having a workout. Some jobs are a little bit harder to get the machines to than others, but it is doable and you can do it. I find that Elite is a fantastic company to work for. You can always call another franchisee if you're in troubles or you're not sure. If you're not sure about a product you're using, once again you can call head office or you can call another franchisee and you've got your answer and your job's easy and you go about your day. I think it's great being a female in the carpet cleaning business, so if you're working in an office and you've got to go 9 to 5 and that's where you're stuck each day, maybe think of going and cleaning carpets and meeting new people and having a great day and working for yourself, because any woman can do it. We can do it.